Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we're going to take a look at this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. We're going to take a look at this. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale, but we're going to take a look at this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. What a beautiful car this is right here. Finished with Corvette bronze with black stripes for the Z28. Absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately, with the Chevrolet in 1968, there's no way to tell if it's a true Z28 without the build sheet. Unfortunately, I do not have one, but it is a beautiful car, and we're going to take a look at it. We'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior here. This car is finished with the 302 MO motor, 4-speed transmission, 12-bolt, tack in the dash, gauges in the console. Absolutely gorgeous car right here. All the wood grain looks great. Back seat here, I'll show you. Oh, looking good. It's got the shoulder harness belts from the factory. Really nice there. All the interior's in great shape. Paint and body work also is in great shape. Really, really looks good. Shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk looks great. It's got the spare tire and the jack equipment. Really, really looks good. All the trunk lid looks good. Shut the trunk here. And Dad is going to start it up for me. Motor than a 302 Chevrolet, I'd like to hear. That's my favorite sounding engine. Come around here. I'm gonna cut it off. Put it back in gear. But all the doors look great on it. All nice and clean on the inside. Just a really, really nice car. Got the tack in the dash. All the headliner looks great in it. I'm going to shut the door here. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, it's powered by a 302 1968 MO motor. Power steering, power disc brakes. It is not numbers matching, but it is a 68 date correct 302. There is that, where you can see that it is Corvette bronze with black interior. Let it get focused there. So, pretty cool. I'm going to shut the hood here. And we'll take one more quick look at the 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. If you have any other questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to take this Camaro for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 for a test drive and see how it does. Here we go.
nothing more iconic than a Z28 Camaro.
No, it was the icon. Car runs and drives great. We're gonna get this old Buick out of the way here. We'll be ready. There we go. Car shifts and runs exactly like it's supposed to. It doesn't rattle or shake. Just a really, really nice car. We're gonna turn around and head back here. We're gonna get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this 302 MO motor's made of. Got one truck coming, and then we should be ready. All right, here we go. Like it's supposed to, and just runs and drives great. We are almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page, helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's that underneath video.